Isn't this the same thing? It's the
Foundation.
sorry.
Which was your favorite step?
This when it ended. But I tried.
Hi guys, welcome back to SSBeauty's YouTube channel. I'm Mulaikah and today we are shooting a very special video with a very special guest, my brother, Usaamah.
Hi guys, I'm Usaamah and I'm very excited to be here, and this is the first time I'm doing something like this, and I'm going to be doing Mulaikah's makeup. So yeah, I'm excited, I'm nervous, and I'm looking forward to this.
Okay, let's start.
Yeah,
I'm scared.
I don't know the steps, but I'm just going to try from what I can
Well,
read.
yeah, whatever you see.
Yeah, whatever I see. I might be wrong with many steps, but I'm just going to do what I feel
with
is
the
right.
flow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm going to start with the Bobbi Brown face base. I'm guessing it's the first step because it says base. So this I have to put or you have to put?
You have to put it.
This how I put it?
Why are you putting it here? You don't have to
put it on your
yourself.
face, no?
On me, you have to put it.
Oh.
So like that you're gonna do.
Yeah. How else do you do it? You asked how. That's how I would do it on myself. Moisturizer. I'm very bad at this. I've never done this. So please. If you laugh, you'll be giving me a hint that I'm done. Can I write this? So the next step I think is foundation, because that just sounds right. So this is the foundation that I think will go with your skin tone. It's the Even Better Clinical Foundation. Now, do you use this with a brush or do you use this with?
You open the whole bottle. That is not how you open it.
I thought this is a brush.
No. What do you
Put it like
want?
that. Okay, no.
Yeah.
Huh. So this is a pump. So you use. This is the foundation. What is it called? Foundation sponge.
You can either use this or brush or whatever.
This. Okay, let me put it on my hand. Is this a lot?
You should like put a dot to see.
No, but I wouldn't do that.
Okay.
I won't.
This will fall.
It won't fall, yeah.
You could have just seen it from this instead of taking the bottle.
Yeah, from this. I'm guessing it will. Can I start?
Yeah.
Because it's like water. Foundation is supposed to be put on your full face, no? Because it's a foundation. I'm telling you, I'm giving you tips.
Okay.
I'm giving you makeup tips.
Is it matching my skin tone?
It will match. We'll make it match. You become fairer
Do I look like a ghost?
before makeup. Oh no.
Don't scare me.
Just some finishing touch. This is the foundation that I'm going to be using. It's the
Foundation.
sorry. This is the compact that I'm going to be using, which is the Bobbi Brown Warm Natural.
Is this my shade?
Isn't this the same thing? This has a mirror.
This has a mirror. The only difference.
Oh, even this has a mirror.
Wait, the only difference he thought between these two was that this had a mirror.
But even so
This
does
has
this.
a mirror.
Yeah, so does
Otherwise,
this.
there's no difference.
So for the compact, I'm going to do it with a brush. I don't know which brush is ideal for this, but I'm guessing a rather larger one. No, this says blush and
Don't
contour
read.
powder, and I'm guessing this is it. I don't know how much too, but how do you check? How do you check that it's on it? Now, where do you put this on your full face?
You. Why do you react like that?
I want to do some color, so I'm guessing some eyeshadow. I don't think this is eyeshadow. No. Give me hints.
I'm not saying.
Yeah, you're cheating. Yeah, this looks like some color. Yeah. Do you want it to be loud or do you want it to be subtle?
Do whatever you want.
How are you feeling? Like, do you feel like the makeup is on point? Because since you can't see it because there's no mirror.
See, yeah. I'm a little scared, but your steps are more or less in the right direction. But then again, I don't know the quantity you're using of the foundation.
Nor do I know.
Yeah. But
Now I'm doing the shimmer. Oh.
your reactions are scaring me more. Because every time you apply the foundation also, you're like, oh.
This is too much shimmer. Till where does it go? Sure.
And you're using one brush only.
So? So is the eyeshadow brush?
There are more eyeshadow brushes.
I couldn't guess this one. Where I will remove one.
So do you want me to keep my eyes open or closed for this?
This will come up, so closed.
Good.
And it makes me feel like an artist. So, do I do a design or do I just do a
Whatever you want to.
straight line? Okay.
Why are you laughing?
Because it's scary and my hands are shaking. I've never done this. It's the first time in my life. Don't move so much. Don't move so much.
I'm not moving.
I'm moving too much, yeah. Or is it like too hard?
No.
How do I do it like this? Why do you keep laughing? I can't. But I can't do it from this side. I have to be a lefty. Should I do it with my left hand? Don't move.
You want me to open mine?
No. Okay, I'm done. The next step, I think, since we are on the eyes, as you said, will be the kajal and the eyelash thing, mascara. I'm going to use the eyelash curler, which I know about from the show Friends. I don't know how to use it, but I think you should shut your eyes. No, I think you should open your eyes.
Don't poke me.
No. So now we are doing the mascara by M.A.C. This is it. I don't know how much to use, but
What do you want me to do?
shut your eyes. I think open your eyes.
Till now, what do you think was the more difficult?
The eyeliner.
Oh.
Eyeliner and the kajal, that's why I gave it a skip.
Okay, so we have few more steps left.
Few more.
Yeah, like two.
I would
maybe
think
two or
lipstick is the last step. I'm going to use this by Estee Lauder. Do like that. I've missed one of this
And
glow, this, and I've missed one of these Bobbi brown ones. Yeah, this and this is the same. This just has a shine. That. So this is what, a blush.
yeah,
So can I use this now?
yeah.
After lipstick. Yeah. So I'm going to use the M.A.C blush now with a brush. You know, there's another hack for blush where you put lipstick here and then you rub it.
You can do that if you want.
Yeah, that is a hack.
There are different ways to apply blushes.
So the way I apply it is,
Yeah, like, can you see it on my face?
but I'm going for a natural look.
After putting shimmer on my eyes.
Yeah, that's a bit much now that I see it.
So I'm scared, but okay.
Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? That's not the makeup, that's you. It's not the makeup.
Oh my god.
So what's wrong with it?
There's a lot of glitter, for sure.
But it's not a day look, it's a night look.
Yeah. But the eyeliner.
Eyeliner, I told you, was a little shaky. So that's something.
Oh my god. Okay. I think I can see the effort, for sure.
what would you rate it? Would you? Okay, you rate it
A
4.
3
A 3
Yeah.
on 5.
on 10.
3 on 10?
Yeah, because the base is fine, but the eyes are not.
Okay, not bad.
You think I would
Very
go
bad.
out like that in public?
But would you go out like this for a night out?
No,
No?
no,
Like absolutely not.
no. Yeah. So if you like this makeup look, you can go ahead and book Usaamah in the comment section down below. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
See you.